everyone, welcome to SJEC classes on YouTube channel. This is 10th class geography subject and I am Aruna Singh who is teaching this subject. In this video our chapter is natural vegetation. It means India natural vegetation resources. In this video our related topics are about the natural vegetation, its types of vegetation, which are our tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous or monsoon forest, the thorn and scrub vegetation, littoral forest, mountain forest, and their uses, areas, all topics with it, conservation of forest. These topics will be explained in this video. So let's start our this chapter. Natural vegetation. In this chapter, natural vegetation includes that part of plant life which grows without human help and grows naturally according to the available environment. The part of the natural vegetation which has remained undisturbed by human is called virgin vegetation. This is found only in the remote parts of the Himalayas. In the rest of the country, the natural vegetation has changed as man's interference has increased. Forests are a very important natural resources because they provide an environment for wildlife. Also, they improve the fertility of the soil and prevent soil erosion. Also, they produced many products. The forest products can be divided into two parts: major products and minor products. What is the major products? Manufacture of paper, railway sleeper, furniture, doors, windows, boxes for packing, perfumes, handicrafts. These are and medicines. These are generally major products of the forest. Minor products: turpentine oil, resin, varnishes, gums, and lac used for making sealing wax and jewelry. These are the minor products. Now our topic: types of vegetation. Depending upon the climate, soil, relief and structure, Indian forest can be divided into the following categories. These are tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, tropical desert, littoral or tidal, mountain forest. Now first of all, our tropical evergreen. Tropical evergreen, it is generally found in hot and humid areas of India where the rainfall is over 200 centimeter and relative humidity is more than 70%. Average temperature is about 24 degree Celsius. These are over 60 meters high and there is no fixed time for trees to shed their leaves. Therefore, the forest appear green all the year round. Throughout the year, this type vegetation generally found in a green part. Vegetation consists of shrubs, climbers, bamboo and ferns. The trees are hardwood but due to the dense undergrowth cannot be exploited commercially. The exploitation is not easy of these type forest. Important trees and their uses: rosewood areas, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and uses making furniture. Main plant of these types of vegetation: rosewood, gurjan, and the areas Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. For the gurjan, West Bengal, Kerala uses railway sleepers and furniture making. These types, it means tropical evergreen forest, are spread over the northeastern states, Andaman and Nicobar, western slopes of Western Ghats and the subtropical Himalayas also. The famous two trees are rosewood and gurjan. Our next vegetation: tropical deciduous or monsoon forest. These forests are found in areas receiving 100 to 200 centimeter of annual rainfall and the most widespread forest of India. It is the second point of the forest, but the main important forest which is found in large areas in India. Trees of these forests shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in the dry summer, but the period of shedding is different for different species, so the forest does not become bare at any time. The monsoon forest extend over the Sahyadris through the peninsular Ganga plains till the foothills of the Himalayas. Economically, these forests are very important, and the main trees are teak, sal, sisam, sandalwood, and kher. Here is the teak area. MP, Odisha, it means Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu uses shipbuilding furniture, and Sal area, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Odisha uses railway sleeper house construction. Sandalwood area, Karnataka uses perfumes, handicrafts, oils. Bamboo area, Assam, Nagaland uses construction, paper and pulp. Kher, this is the name also of the trees area. Madhya Pradesh, Odisha uses katha making. And our next vegetation, the thorn and shrub vegetation. In this type vegetation, in regions with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes, and the trees are less dense and small in size, but their roots are thick and long so that they can use the underground water in the best possible manner. Their barks are thick to prevent excess evaporation. These are found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. Important trees and their uses: babul, kikar, khazuri. These are the important trees of this type vegetation. The uses of the babul and bark: it is used tanning purposes, medicines. Khazuri, wood for various purposes. And now, littoral or tidal forest. These are also known as mangrove forest. They are found along the east coast in the estuaries and deltas of rivers. In the delta of the Ganga and Brahmaputra, it is known as the Sundarbans. The important trees are the Sundari, Gurjan, and Hintal. The Sundari tree yields hardwood which is strong and durable and is used for making boats and boxes. The roots of the mangrove have pores which help them to breathe during high tide and are known as Pneumina toporus forest. Tidal or mangrove forest, these are found near the coastal areas, deltic part. Mountain forest. Since with the increase in height, the temperature and rainfall changes, there is a corresponding change in natural vegetation. Here are the four belts or three types of belts found in mountain forest. These are belts of deciduous forest and temperate forest and alpine forest. Belt of deciduous forest are found at the foothills of the Himalayas at a height of 1000 meter to 2000 meter. These cover a major part of the hill ranges of northeast India and the Himalayan regions of West Bengal, Bihar and Uttaranchal. Next, temperate forests are found between 2000 meter to 3000 meter height along the southern slopes of the Himalayas. Broad-leaved evergreen trees of laurels are found here. Higher up, pines, firs, spruce, and kedar grow in plenty. Alpine forests are found above 3000 meter in height. Fairly dense forest of silver firs, pines, birches, and rhododendrons are found between 3000 meter and 4000 meter in altitude. There is, however, no vegetation above the snow line. Uses of important trees: Chir, resin, turpentine, Kashmir and UP areas, Deodar, railway sleepers, construction purposes, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir area, for making of paper, matches and packing cases. Conservation of forest. The world's population is increasing at an alarming rate, therefore, more and more food is required. The forests are being destroyed and more land is being cultivated, thus destroying the environment. Besides this, the tribal population is removing trees to practice shifting cultivation and for fuel. To fulfill the demands of the urban population, and forest cover is being destroyed. We need to conserve our forest as it preserves the ecological diversity and our life support system, water, air, and soil. The Forest Conservation Act in 1988 made strict punishment for those who violated the rules. Strict measures were taken to regulate the activities of the tribals provision regarding felling of trees in hilly areas and to stop grazing and to prevent forest fires. People should be made aware of the importance and value of trees and encourage them to plant more trees. The famous Chipko movement in the Himalayas, Beej Bachao Andolan in Tihri and Navdanya have shown the participation of the community in conservation of forest. Both processes adopted by the government, social forestry as well as the agricultural forestry. We need to conserve our forest as it preserves the ecological diversity and our life support system, water, air and soil. Thanks to all for watching this video, and in next video again we will meet with new chapter. Thanks to all.